Clients can now change government-issued money over completely to cryptographic money and store the new cash in their Polygon or Solana wallet. Coinbase is adding MATIC and SOL to their postings, which are the local monetary standards of Polygon and Solana, separately. Polygon, MATIC cost has expanded by more than 30% in the beyond couple of days. Inside a time of 24 hours, the token encountered an expansion in cost by 26%. At this point, MATIC is exchanging at $0.596316 per coin as indicated by CoinMarketCap's information. Polygon, MATIC's backing of carbon nonpartisanship clearly intrigued climate-cognizant clients and prompted the interest for MATIC, driving the cost up by 30%. Obstruction is normal at around the 73 cents level. In an authority blog entry, Polygon makes sense of how they had the option to resign $400,000 of carbon credits that offset the aggregate of CO2 obligation gathered by the organization since commencement. Significant news around the Polygon network toward the beginning of this current year is the send-off of a photography NFT stage that will be conveyed through the Polygon blockchain. The stage is the result of the Associated Press and means to empower authorities to buy and exchange tokenized photos from worldwide news. AP will likely cover subjects in environmental change, space, and battle through photojournalism. What's happening with Polygon, MATIC? Polygon is the main stage for Ethereum scaling and foundation advancement. Its developing setup of items offers engineers simple admittance to all significant scaling and framework arrangements. Two-layer arrangements, sidechains, crossover arrangements, independent and venture chains, information accessibility arrangements, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Polygon scaling arrangements have seen boundless reception with 3,000 plus applications facilitated, 1B plus complete exchanges handled, 100M plus special client addresses, and $5 billion plus in resources get. MENA protocol and Polygon are making progress toward carrying out help for MENA on Polygon POS. This extension will empower designers building applications on Polygon to use security and undeniable nature through MENA's Zero Information Snark-based convention. Polygon is an Ethereum-based project that desires to address major issues the Ethereum blockchain faces, like interoperability and versatility. It is the primary venture on the Ethereum blockchain to send off a satisfactorily organized instrument that tends to Ethereum's scaling issue. Thusly, many have named Polygon as Ethereum scaling arrangement. Ethereum is home to a few DeFi projects like the Polygon, previously known as the MATIC organization. Since the MATIC network has carried various functionalities to the whole Ethereum blockchain, a few engineers have checked out the task that has, thusly, prompted consistent development of MATIC cost. Significant cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and so on saw a run on the first 7-day stretch of June, but it consolidates the two POS and Plasma structure in its center and runs on Ethereum Layer 2. Polygon effectively changes over the restricted Ethereum blockchain into an open blockchain network usable by a larger number of people. Basically, it makes Ethereum consistent as the web of blockchains. Thusly, Polygon, MATIC, project benefits colossally from the all-around laid-out Ethereum blockchain in more than one way. Right off the bat, each blockchain project needs a protected security foundation. The MATIC network benefits from Ethereum's variety of characteristics like a functioning and lively local area, laid-out security frameworks, and straightforwardness. Inside the Polygon organization, exchanges are settled utilizing the MATIC coin. MATIC cost has ascended throughout the long term, igniting interest from cryptographic money fans. Polygon innovation has further developed productivity inside the Ethereum blockchain. Today, Polygon gloats of taking care of up to 65,000 exchanges each second on its single sidechain. Additionally, it has found the middle value of a noteworthy block affirmation season of 2 seconds for each exchange. Upsides and downsides of putting resources into Polygon, MATIC. Polygon, previously MATIC organization, has been viewed as a steady speculation by crypto fans. Anyone with any interest at all in Ethereum and its heap of undertakings probably has a partiality for MATIC. It is a very much organized association with clear objectives of broadening the versatility of the Ethereum blockchain and making digital currency more open to the general population. In the event that the undertaking keeps on pushing forward steps, its prosperity is unavoidable, and thusly, MATIC holders will benefit essentially. Contributing is a full-time action that expects people to investigate likely dangers and returns prior to committing. Nonetheless, inside the crypto world, various vulnerabilities shape the costs of crypto coins. Thusly, in any event, for an old pro, it is trying to make exact expectations on the cost of a coin in view of verifiable cost activities alone. Nonetheless, for a person to acquire noteworthy profits from their ventures, they should face challenges. Here, we'll examine a portion of the advantages of putting resources into the Polygon environment. Polygon Price Prediction 2022. As per the discoveries of their complete specialized examination in light of verifiable value information of MATIC, the cost of Polygon is gauged to arrive at least degree of 75 cents in the year 2022. The cost of MATIC can possibly arrive at a high of 86 cents, while it presently exchanges at a typical cost of 77 cents. Polygon Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, it is guessed that the cost of Polygon will arrive at any rate level of $1.05 in any event. The cost of Polygon can possibly arrive at a high of $1.28, while keeping a typical cost of $1.09 during the year 2023. Polygon Price Prediction 2024. As per the cost projection and the specialized examination, it is guessed that the cost of Polygon will drop to a level no lower than $1.54 in the year 2024. The cost of MATIC can possibly arrive at a high of $1.84, while it presently exchanges at a typical cost of $1.60. Polygon Price Prediction 2025. In the year 2025, it is guessed that the expense of one Polygon would arrive at least degree of $2.15. During the period 2025, the cost of MATIC can possibly arrive at a high of $2.65, while keeping a typical cost of $2.23. Polygon Price Prediction 2026. In 2026, the cost of Polygon is supposed to tumble to its untouched low of $3.06. This is the most reduced possible figure. As indicated by the data that we have gotten, the cost of MATIC can possibly arrive at a greatest degree of $3.68, with a typical value projection of $3.15. Polygon Price Prediction 2027. The consequences of an extensive specialized examination that was performed on the verifiable cost data for MATIC propose that the cost of Polygon will be at or around a base worth of $4.28 in the year 2027. The value worth of Polygon can possibly arrive at a high of $5.30, while it